Welcome to this video, where I will show you how to enable notifications from an account in the Bluesky app. If you follow certain creators or friends, staying updated with their new posts and replies is important. First, open the Bluesky app on your phone. Next, search for or open the profile of the account you want to receive notifications from. Then, look for the bell icon located next to the account name at the top of the profile. Tap on it to open the notification settings. Now, you will see two options. You can choose to receive notifications for posts, for replies, or enable both, depending on what you want to be notified about. Finally, once you have made your selection, click on Save Changes. From now on, you will get updates whenever this account shares posts or replies according to your choice. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.